Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Saskatchewan at 9:28 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday, August 23rd, 2021. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for rural municipality of Eagle Creek, including Arley and Sonningdale. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for rural municipality of Purdue, including Purdue and Kinley, rural municipality of Biggar, including Biggar and Springwater, and rural municipality of Marriott. South of Biggar, a severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: Outlook, Watrous, Hanley, Imperial, Dinsmore, and Kindersley.